guys, it's Keegan. Welcome back to my channel. So today we are doing another week in my life video. I love filming these and I hope that you guys like them too. I accidentally lost my tripod for my vlog camera, so I'm a little stressed about that. So oh no. Today's a Monday. I just had one of my classes. It was boring. I was gonna get a bagel afterwards. Can I say, you know what, I've been trying to have this in the background more in my videos because I mean this is so cute, but I spent a lot of effort into this, so I'll set you here so you can see me. Do you see my sweat stains? Cute, right? Haha. I was gonna get a bagel, but then someone gave me a free donut, so I was like, heck no. So I just had all my classes. I'm actually been making a ton of new friends, so it's really fun seeing them with my classes, and I'm like, hey, let's sit together. Yeah, I don't know what I'm saying right now. I have a few things I need to do. I need to find my vlog camera tripod thingy, my Hoover. It's a whole thing. This is my bed. That's a little messy. I also have some YouTube editing things. I just have a ton of stuff that I need to do right now. Yeah, that's so weird. I'm so sorry. Oh, I'm squatting now. Okay, let's be done with this. I think I broke my hard drive that has every video I've ever made on it, so that sucks. Story time. So every single time I talk, open my mouth, close my mouth, chew, I'm in pain. Also, every time I inhale and exhale, I'm in pain. Right here really hurts. The bone on top. I don't know if this is my lung. I don't know what's right here. This thing right here that hurts. And then my jaw right here hurts so bad. That's as far as I can open my mouth. I fell off a bowl. And so now I'm in pain. And do I go to the doctor or do I not? Ugh. Also, question. Do you guys want me to do montage videos in these, or just me being pretend this is a good angle and I'd be type, or do you just want me showing you my day? Do you want to see me kind of doing things? So I feel whenever I do things for a vlog, I kind of have to stage it, set it up. I'm okay, this is a good angle, not a good angle, and then I'm okay, I'm gonna do something, but I need to look good doing it because I'm gonna vlog. You know what I mean? What do you guys want to see in these? Because I want to do what you want to do. Oh, that hurts so bad. I went like that with my ow. Is it bruised? It's not bruised, but the highlight looks good, so.
You good?
Today's been so chaotic. I literally had class, and then I got lunch, and then I waited in the lunch line for 40 minutes, and I came back here, ate it, went to class. Right after my class, I had my new member meeting for sorority, and then right after my new member meeting, I had a chapter, and I'm back now, and it's almost 10 o'clock, and I literally have not had a free second since I was in math at 1 o'clock. But in our chapter meeting, we got flowers from some of the fraternity, so I think I'm gonna be extra. Hi, that's not how we sit cameras down, Keegan. Hello. Let's just move that. I don't have a vase. Should I put it in a cup? I'll cut them, obviously. I want to keep them alive. I actually vlogged a teeny tiny bit of the chapter meeting, and then they didn't call me out on it. They didn't realize I was doing this. But this is a sacred thing, da 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 da. And I was oh no, just kidding. Delete. So I didn't vlog my chapter meeting because I'm not allowed to. Ow, I just stabbed myself with the stem of the flower. Let's set her down. God, they gave us this cute little thing during our new member meeting that we have to learn about our sorority and all the stuff, and we have to take a test, I'm assuming, after it. But very cute, very excited for it. I probably have a ton of homework that I need to do, so I should do that. I'm so bored. I'm so sorry. I literally just feel bad. I haven't vlogged all day, but I literally have not had time because I have not had one free second to do it. So hopefully I'll do better tomorrow. I have a huge gap tomorrow. I have a date party on Thursday for a fraternity, and I don't know the guy I'm going with. He DM'd me on Instagram and asked me, and I was okay, yeah, sure, but I don't know who he is, and I'm stressing a little, a lot. Okay, I don't know who he is, and I'm panicking and
the network structure, the architecture of the ties was changing across time.
Hello, today's Tuesday. Rough day already. Look at me. I didn't even brush my hair. I didn't even brush my hair or make my bed. I kind of sort of just threw everything on it so it wasn't on the floor. It's just been really stressful right now. I just feel I have so much going on and not enough time to do any of it. I just feel really overwhelmed, and sorority stuff, and then school on top of that, and then YouTube. It's just a lot to pile on, and I understand eventually I'll get to a place where it's normal. Right now, since the school year just started, I just feel I don't have enough hours in the day. I had my sociology class, and then I went to the MU because I always walk through the MU to get back because it's really hot outside, and that's air conditioning area. And I got a bagel and a chai latte. I'm gonna go get my chai latte because I see it and it's just the the bagel like kept falling apart. It was so hard to eat, so I wouldn't recommend. But I think what I'm gonna do right now, I think I'm going to like clean my sheets and everything like that and then do some of my homework. I have a big gap today. On Tuesdays, always a big gap, so it's gonna be so nice and get stuff done. Normally on Tuesdays, I like procrastinate so much, but I definitely don't think I can today. Like today, I need to just like get everything done as much as I possibly can and not procrastinate. I might like leave my phone on the opposite side of the room. I also really just want us to finish decorating our dorm room so we can just, what is this? What is this? So you can do a dorm room tour, but like I just feel like I can't because that shelf is like halfway built. Like literally, if we sat anything slightly strong on it, it would just collapse. So, and like we have a TV and a printer just sitting on the floor. Should I time-lapse me like cleaning my sheets? Is that weird? Probably. I think I shouldn't. I should also shower. So I just want to go throw our trash away. And when you come in our building, you need like your ID card. This one right here. I didn't have mine because I didn't bring my phone because like I'm just throwing the trash away. I don't need my phone. But I didn't have my ID card because my ID card is attached to my phone. So I literally was like sitting outside my building for like so long. I was gonna say an hour. That's such an exaggeration. Probably like 15 minutes just like waiting for someone to like open the door because like you can only get in this building with your ID card if you live in this building, so it's like harder to if like you can't ask a random stranger to help you. I was just waiting and no one was coming or leaving and I was like, are you kidding me? So I was just standing there waiting and I'm sweating, and now I think I need a vacuum, which I'm really annoyed about because I still have a ton of homework to do. But when I was taking out the trash, I accidentally did that to the floor. That's from all those flowers right there. I need a vacuum, but there's so much stuff on the floor, so I might time lapse it so you can like see me do something interesting. My roommate left our dishes in the middle of the floor. I don't know why. That's why that's there. Hello, welcome to my mukbang. I'm like shrinking. So I literally have class in like 10-20 minutes I need to leave for, and I have homework for this class that's due tonight. My roommate said that homework took her like 1 to 2 hours, so I was like, okay, I have an hour and a half. I'll like bust it out, blah 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 blah. And then I fell asleep. So I need to leave for that class in like 20 minutes. So I'm eating Oreos, not even doing it. I'm exhausted, you guys. Like just genuinely like physically like I feel dead. So the class I'm going to after this is CIDS, which is my computer class. This week we're learning about YouTube, which I'm like excited for, but it also like slightly annoys me. It really annoys me when people talk about things that they don't know what they're talking about and like act like they're super right. So hopefully what he's saying is accurate, or else I'll probably be really annoyed.
Corrected, so the correction for about 5 minutes, I'm not exaggerating, is about an 8-hour fix. It wasn't until something called...
Good morning. Today is Wednesday. I'm starving. I think I'm gonna make an acai bowl because that sounds bomb, and I haven't made one in forever. Hi. Hello. I just went to my interior design class. I literally like haven't been paying attention because literally like all the stuff that's on the test, she just like gives us all the information the day before, so I'm like, what's the point? Also not my best move though. Do as I say, not as I do, and don't do what I'm doing. Gonna do some math homework. I finished most of it besides 3 problems that I couldn't figure out, and I don't care how long it takes me. I don't care if it takes me hours. I'm going to figure out how to do these 3 problems. I'm going to. Trust me. After math, I got lunch with a friend, and then I had my small group communications class, and now I have to go get a laser hair removal treatment because I did that a while ago. You have to get 6 treatments, so I did that. So I'm going to do my second one. I'm trying to figure out if I should Uber or if I should drive. I don't know. Laser hair removal is done. That is the most awkward process ever. There's no way I was gonna vlog that. So Alpha Chi, which is the sorority I'm in, we're having a little store. So they set up like a little store with like Alpha Chi t-shirts and stuff like that. So my friend and I are gonna go over there and we're going to buy stuff and be broke sisters together. Haha, fun. Love being unfinancially stable. I'm just kidding. I'm kidding. Don't come for my financial state. I know some people will.
It is. I was gonna get it and then I decided against it.
It's like you're kind of like, it's kind of like fake.
Hi.
Hi.
Friends, we just got our clothes and they were so expensive from the little shops.
Yeah.
And we got Dutch, and there's a messed up one, so we got a free one.
It has grapefruit in it.
It kind of tastes like cough medicine, but like a good cough medicine.
Yeah.
Happy Thursday. I don't know if you can tell, but I'm literally so exhausted. Like I can't even keep my eyes open. I fell asleep so early last night. I fell asleep at like 10 p.m. I was that tired, and I woke up and I'm still so tired. I have my glasses marks. Isn't that cute? We love that. I had 2 classes already, and I have another one later today. I have to get lunch with my sorority sisters because we have like buddies and we need to meet them and like bond with people in our sorority. We're gonna get lunch, and I need to do a lot of assignments, and I need a nap. I literally can't even deal right now. This one has my sorority on it. Alpha Chi. Alpha Chi. We love a sister who reps her sorority. I need a nap. I like can't even think properly. I'm having the worst day ever. Today's Friday. I feel like I should explain to you why I barely vlogged all yesterday. So basically, I'm right here. I vlogged Friday and then I got lunch with like one of my sorority like buddy for the week. She was so nice. And then after that I came home, did a quiz, took a nap. I napped for the entire day. I literally slept through my class. I literally like napped and then woke up and then fell back asleep. Like I didn't do anything else at all. So that's why I didn't vlog, because I was asleep the entire day. Horrible day. I literally accidentally bought something twice because I bought like a Instagram preset package, put in the wrong email, so I had to buy it twice because I put in the wrong email. Got a bagel and like an iced chai. I should stop doing this. It's gonna get expensive, but free for now because I have like the M&G dollars. I don't even know if you guys know what that is, but like whatever. So I have a social tonight for my sorority and it's safari themed. And do I look like the type of girl that owns safari clothes? No. So I need to call Forever 21 and ask them if they have something in stock. And my biggest fear, not my biggest fear, public speaking is my biggest fear, but one of my like gears in life is talking to customer service people. But like literally I used to work in the customer service industry, so I don't know why I'm so scared, but I'm gonna call.
May I help you?
Hi, I was wondering if you could check to see if you guys have something in stock for me.
Do you have a product code?
I have the name of it online, like on the online website.
I'm gonna put you on a brief hold and I'll look it up for you and then I'll get back to you.
Thank you. Hello, sorry if you can hear my air conditioning. I'm so sorry. Oh my god, I'm like losing my voice again. I did all my school stuff, went to like the extra lecture I needed to do for like to write an assignment, project, paper, all that jazz on that. And now I am at the mall and I just went to my favorite store. Literally Forever 21 has everything and I only planned on getting one thing and then I ended up getting a few. But all the stuff was for sorority things. So I have a day party tomorrow and it's like wedding in Vegas themes. Like Vegas clothes, you kind of like give to like just like a little trashier, and your girl doesn't own that kind of clothes. Your girl owns like light lace, like formal that you wear to like a brunch and like your mom can see. So I had to buy some not so classy clothes. Not really my style, so that was not fun, but it was like cheap, so I'm not mad. I have some options, and now I need to go back to my dorm room and get ready for my social I have tonight. The social is safari themed, so I bought the ugliest jean skirt. If you're into animal print, that's so cool, but like that's not really my thing. Also, I was planning on going to like the spirit store to like buy ears, but I'm shrinking. They had some like really weird looking ones. You're about to see me glow up tonight because I'm not gonna go like this. So I look like I belong in the Jersey Shore. Like Snooki would wear this, but that's cute. Snooki would so wear this. Snooki wouldn't do this, but Snooki would do this. So I'm Snooki for the night. I'm gonna go. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Like and subscribe. Okay, see you in my next one. Bye.